How are big businesses and corporations formed? What's the first step that these successful founders take? Do they check their bank accounts for money? Or do they build a team? Every great company stands on a strong foundation of the idea. That's right, the beginning of Brabus, the super famous tuning company, was also because of a genius idea. Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will share the story of how Brabus was created by two enthusiastic young German men. So let's get started with today's video. But before that, please take a minute to subscribe to our channel. It will only take a second. Also, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Let's get the show rolling. The story starts with a young car enthusiast, Bodo Buschmann. He loved speed over comfort and luxury, hence he loved driving his Porsche. The irony was that his father was a Mercedes dealer in Bottrop, so naturally his father didn't like it when his son parked his fast Porsche next to his Mercedes dealership company. So the father told his son that if he wanted to park a car next to his company, it should be a Mercedes, not a Porsche. Bodo reluctantly accepted his condition and started driving the Mercedes. However, the speed of the Mercedes was not giving him the thrill that he was used to, and then it struck him, hey, why don't I modify and tune Mercedes to match the speed of Porsche? Now, let us tell you that back in the 1970s, Mercedes was popular for its comfort and luxury. It wasn't famous for its fast speed. Moreover, AGM was not a part of Mercedes-Benz yet. This meant that Bodo had to tweak changes and modify the car to make it match the speed of his beloved Porsche. He got to work, modified the car, and made it as speedy as Porsche. Now, he happily parked his Mercedes next to his dad's company. One day, a potential customer of Mercedes saw Bodo's modified and speedy Mercedes. He was seriously planning to purchase it, and that's how Brabus got its first client before it was even legally established. Bodo took a few modifying projects. However, he was legally bound by the law to establish a registered company for his increasing projects and activities. Now, the twist was that Bodo couldn't register a company alone. He needed a partner just for the sake of registration. So he asked his university friend to become his partner. His friend Klaus Brackmann agreed, and Brabus came to life legally. The company name is the fusion of the surname of both the partners, Brackmann and Buschmann. Klaus Brackmann had little interest in modifying Mercedes. He simply partnered to help his friend register the company. Thus, Klaus Brackmann sold his share to Bodo Buschmann and left the company after all the legal proceedings were over. That was the end of Brackmann's involvement with the company. Brabus solely belonged to Buschmann. He was free to do all the modifications and bring his car fantasies to life. Bodo Buschmann's first tuning success was with the Mercedes-Benz W126, the S-Class, produced from 1979 to 1991. During this time, more and more buyers were attracted. Because of this, Bodo was able to experiment with various Mercedes-Benz models. Since then, the brand's philosophy has remained unchanged. The most important factors for Brabus are tuning quality and safety. This was accomplished through very precise finishing and functional tuning of the vehicles. The W210, the E-Class, was the vehicle that propelled Brabus to global attention in the tuning industry. Brabus created the world's fastest limousine by replacing the engine with a V12 with 582 bhp and 772 Nm of torque. The top speed was not limited to 250 km per hour, but could reach 330 km per hour. This limitation was imposed because there were no suitable tires for this vehicle. With the proper tires, it could go even speedier. This was not the only problem with this car, as some Brabuses still have the same issue today. Brabus distinguished itself from other tuners by combining extreme speed, comfort, and German quality. In previous years, AMG was the most direct competitor. Brabus saw an opportunity to become a unique tuner after AMG was acquired by Mercedes-Benz. They market themselves as a one-stop shop for all car-related needs. It won't be the first time they make cars with integrated guitars, lockers, or football players' initials in the headrests. Make a wish for your vehicle, and Brabus will grant it. This distinguishes Brabus from AMG, which is limited to standard Mercedes-Benz options list, making it difficult to order a truly special AMG. Brabus always ensured to go above and beyond for its customers. And no, we aren't saying it without any proof. Here's the story of how Brabus dealt with a difficult customer. A Brabus customer had several Ferraris and wanted to try something new. Hence, he ordered a black Brabus with a full black interior. Brabus received a phone call a few days after the car was delivered. The color didn't go well with the red of the Ferraris, at least not as good as he hoped. He demanded the car be painted red. Brabus didn't argue with the customer. Instead, they honored his request. The car was repainted and reupholstered. The man called Brabus again sometime later. He thought the red on the Brabus was even better than the red on the Ferrari. This demonstrates how adaptable Brabus is with their customers and that they are only happy when their customers are happy. The popular saying that customers are the king is actually true. If you keep your kings happy, your business will reign in the market, or the kings will send it to exile. Brabus was particular about customer satisfaction. Brabus has always offered the option of swapping engines. For maximum performance, these engines are typically replaced with V12 machines. These V12 engines are modified Mercedes-Benz engines. Unfortunately, the V12 is becoming less popular, so Brabus can and should look for alternatives to generate a significant amount of power with an existing engine. At the moment, they are hard at work on AMG's new 5.5-liter V8-bit turbo. New Brabus models with this engine are expected shortly. This is a positive idea because Brabus claims that the engine's capabilities are nearly limitless. Brabus has already created larger turbos that will be included in the Brabus B6 kit. Bodo's early designs emphasized affluence and creativity, qualities that the company still values. Sadly, he died at the age of 62. His legacy undoubtedly lives on. The monstrously delicious fusion of pace, opulence, and class put Brabus creations in a league of their own. The company employs over 450 people spread across 5 locations, all of which produce hand-built cars, each supplied with a 3-year warranty. Brabus dealerships can be found in over 100 countries, and it's not just executive sedans and low-slung sports cars that get the Brabus treatment. Do you own an A-Class or a Vanio? No worries, Brabus can also accommodate you. Bodo's motto was, "Never work for money, work for passion." When he first modified his Porsche, he didn't think of starting a company. His passion and love for speed compelled him to alter his Mercedes and match it to the speed of the Porsche. Bodo's motto is now echoed by his son, Konstantin, who now leads Brabus, a company recognized and registered by the German Federal Motor Transport Authority as a vehicle manufacturer in its own right. Brabus has always created dream machines for people who want high-quality cars with record-breaking performance and lashings of luxury. The company shows no signs of slowing down, as it has for the past 4 decades under Bodo's leadership. Here's to another 40 years of Brabus genius. The humble beginnings led to rapid growth. Brabus can tweak and tune older models and customize new Mercedes vehicles. Moreover, Brabus is now a massive corporation with numerous workshops and showrooms at its Bottrop headquarters. The page facing Bodo's goal was to give Mercedes products more power and refinement, whether they were fast road racers, comfortable cruisers, or hardcore utility vehicles. What does the company look like now? Brabus has gained immense popularity as the BMW modifier. It is a go-to modifier for car lovers who need speed for the thrill. And gladly, Brabus never disappoints them. The company not only modifies cars, but also builds boats. That's right, folks. Brabus builds luxury boats for people who love to indulge in luxurious vehicles. Brabus Marine is committed to redefining luxury day boating by creating an ultra-exclusive, immensely exciting new breed of luxury tenders and day boats. Outstanding performance, power, and excellent acceleration, as well as best-in-class drivability, are complemented by instantly recognizable design and astonishingly beautiful appearances. Brabus has grown to become the world's largest independent car tuner, employing roughly 450 people in Germany and 2,500 more globally. Following Bodo's death in April 2018, the founder's son Konstantin Buschmann took over as CEO of the Brabus Group. So what started as a project out of a hobby turned into a world-renowned business. That's why wise people always say to follow your passion and listen to your gut feelings. We hope you enjoyed watching today's video and learned the lesson of believing in your idea. Just imagine if Bodo had accepted driving the Mercedes and forgetting about Porsche's speed. Brabus would have never existed. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and tell us in the comments below which company's story you would like to see next. We'll see you next time. Till then, goodbye.